I picked up Cleetus McFarland's mini Consuela RC helicopter. So first off, I have been always interested in getting into RC helicopters. I have tons and tons of cars and trucks and buggies and all that fun stuff. 2-strokes, nitros, electric. Absolutely love all the RC cars and trucks. I've never had a helicopter. And I been looking at them, just trying to find like a beginner one. And then big fan of Cleetus McFarland. I love all his stuff. It's just a fun entertainment. Really good. Seems like a solid guy too. So when I seen this, I was like, you know what? I think that's it. I'll give it a shot. Price point was pretty good. Yeah, so let's see if I can become a pilot today and fly the mini Consuela. We'll get this bird in the air and see how easy it is to fly. I'm super pumped. I think this is maybe this is gonna open up a whole new door. Well, I like helicopters, and I like RC, so I imagine I'm gonna like RC helicopters. So this is actually made by Motion RC. I did a little research. They seem like a pretty good company. It's veteran owned, so that's awesome. I really support that, veteran myself. So here it is. Forgive me for the glare of the light here. So pretty nice packaging. It's not really big at all. It's got the tail number on there. So Consuela, we got the American flag with the stripes, Freedom Factory. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Got your booklet, and there everything is. So we got the bird itself, the remote, a battery. So here's the battery. It charges with a USB-C cable. There's mini Consuela right there. So it's got 4 blades. This is gonna be fun. So, and then remote. I think it has like an auto takeoff and landing. You just click this button. And then you got 3 speeds, I believe for rotor speeds. And yeah, so remote, nothing crazy. Pretty nice. A tool, a spare tail rotor, an Allen set, and then 2 spare main rotors. So a couple extra parts in case you break them. And then it's basically like a mouse pad, but the helicopter pad, landing pad. So that's pretty cool. We can set that up, practice landing on it. So all right guys, there's only one thing left to do, and that is see if I can fly. All right, I've never filmed helicopters before, so I might suck at this, but so battery just snaps into the bottom here. Like so. And then power remote up. So remote's on, and then power the bird. And the lights flash. And then you gotta go up, down, and then lights are solid, so now it's bound. And then, yeah, I'll keep my speed. We'll go halfway with the rotor speed. And should probably set this on the ground first. Fly around in my shop first, and then we'll take her outside and see how she handles the skies. So if you put both sticks down to the bottom outside corners, it should like bring up to an idle speed. Okay. There's the idle. And then, all right, let's take off. Let's see how this works. Oh man. Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna crash. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, getting the hang of it. This is the first time I've ever flown a helicopter, guys. Look at that. I'm not even doing nothing. It's just hanging out. Got a little cock to it, but. All right, let's fly it around. Oh, this is awesome. Oh. Oh. I hope you guys are, am I too high for you? All right, spin it around, bring it back. Oh, slow down, slow down. Oh man, this is so cool. Man, I'm actually like not intimidated at all. Flying this pretty decently for never flying an RC helicopter before. So it pretty much just hovers, and then if you want to go up, you tap up, and then it kind of just maintains versus like steadily climbing. I don't know. I don't even know how this stuff's supposed to work technically. All right, let's see. Let's go. Let's test our skills. We'll go up above the camper. I'm going really slow, guys, because I'm nervous. Oh yeah, over the camper, over the quad, over the bike, the Baja 5B. Oh, oh, oh. Bring it down, get a little high elevation. Down a little bit. Oh man, this is this is fun. Man, look at that. It just stays planted. That's fantastic. Oh! Oh! Yeah, I gotta get much better with this. And then, dude, I feel like if you know what you're doing, you could zip this little thing around all over the place. Oh, that's awesome. Woo! Getting a little more comfortable. Don't hit the, oh, almost hit the punching bag. Oh, oh, save it. All right, let's go in for a landing. No, this is not easy for me, guys. Come on, we can land it. We can do it. Oh. Come on. I don't know if I'm gonna get it on the pad. Oh. All right, that's good enough for me. Did not hit the pad, but that was close enough. Let's try this auto takeoff. So I'm gonna click this auto takeoff. And it just brought it up to pretty much eye level. Look at that, guys. That's super cool. Oh no, now I'm gonna be spending a whole bunch of money on helicopters. Can I get rid of that tilt? I don't know if that's possible or not. Look at that, guys. I ain't doing nothing. It's just hanging out. Flying like a champ. That's awesome. Motion RC, I might have to get another helicopter from you guys. This is awesome. Look at that, mini Consuela just flying. Can we do it? All right, I gotta go back hands free. Hold on. Let's land it real quick. Slowly bringing it down. Wow. Dude, this is awesome. It's the little things, guys, that really just make my day. This is definitely making my day. Oh man, this is awesome. I would go wide angle, but I don't want to make it too small because it's probably already pretty hard to see. So, all right, we're gonna take off. We're gonna fly out the door and we're gonna take it to the skies outside. It's a nice sunny, snow-filled day. So let's do this. Hopefully I got enough juice. If not, I'll have to charge the battery back up and then I'll bring you guys back. So, all right, here we go. Auto takeoff. Oh yeah. So you kind of got to work the tail as you're steering your nose. All right. We're gonna let it hang out right there and I'll open the door. This would be easier if I'm behind it. Okay, we can do it. Through the door. Through the door. Through the door. We're through the door. Oh, now we can really fly. I don't know if you guys could see it. I'm not the best pilot. I'm just walking my helicopter right now. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I think my battery's dying. But you can fly it outside. There's a little bit of a wind gust. All right, I'm bringing her in. I think the battery's going dead. Let's see if we can bring her back in for a successful landing. It's actually been pretty good amount of run time. You can buy extra batteries too. All right, hang out here, Consuela. Oh, shoot. Get the door open. Oh, I'll bleep that out. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do this. I gotta do it from back here. I've had a lot of close calls, but I haven't done it yet. All right. Bring her down. I can't do it. I think I'm gonna wreck it if I try to bring it in. Oh. Flew great though, even outside. I think my battery's going dead. I'm not sure. But let's run it a little bit more. I like doing the takeoff myself, not the auto. So we're idled up, clear for takeoff. Here we go. Let's see, can we do a little spinorama? Oh yeah. That's actually pretty remarkable that I could fly this that easily. This makes me want to get into helicopters. I was always super intimidated by them. Oh! No! All right, battery went dead. She went down for a landing and chose to land right on the Creighton. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That was a ton of fun. This little thing rules. I just, yeah, thanks for Cleetus for making these things and actually giving me a reason to take a step and get into RC helicopters. This thing was awesome. And it's also just a cool shelf piece, you know, to add to the collection, to just, you know, it looks good when it's sitting on a shelf as well. I'm blown away that was a blast. I've never flown before. Technically never really wrecked. I had a lot of close calls, but I recovered it pretty good because it just maintains itself so well. Now, like, my head's just spinning with all the fun, like, courses and like little circuits you could put up with a little small helicopter like this. You know, like flying through certain things, landing, like all these different challenges and things. It'd be really fun. I don't need to be spending money on RC helicopters, but now I just might. So that's awesome. I'm glad you guys came along and watched this, and I really appreciate it. So super cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Cleetus McFarlands Consuela. Awesome helicopter. Had a blast. I got the battery charging up again, and as soon as I shut this off, I'm going for another flight because this thing was a blast. Yeah, super cool. All right, guys. I appreciate it. See ya.